B is for balloon, flying on the street.
B is for balloon, flying on the street.
C is for cat, with fur so neat.
C is for cat, with fur so neat.
D is for diamond, shiny and neat.
E is for diamond, shiny and neat.
E is for elephant, big and strong.
E is for elephant, big and strong.
F is for flag, waving all along.
F is for flag, waving all along.
G is for giraffe, so tall and high.
G is for giraffe, so tall and high.
H is for horse, galloping by.
H is for horse, galloping by.
I is for ice cream, yummy and cold.
I is for ice cream, yummy and cold.
J is for jug, carrying water bowl.
J is for jug, carrying water bowls.
K is for kite, flying in the sky.
K is for kite, flying in the sky.
L is for lion, with a mighty cry.
L is for lion, with a mighty cry.
M is for mango, a tropical treat.
N is for mango, a tropical treat.
N is for noodle, so soft to eat.
N is for noodle, so soft to eat.
O is for orange, round and bright.
O is for orange, round and bright.
P is for parrot, colorful in flight.
P is for parrot, colorful in flight.
Q is for quilt, cozy and warm.
Q is for quilt, cozy and warm.
R is for rabbit, with big ears so strong.
R is for rabbit, with big ears so strong.
S is for ship, sailing the sea.
S is for ship, sailing the sea.
T is for tiger, wild and free.
T is for tiger, wild and free.
U is for umbrella, on a rainy day.
U is for umbrella, on a rainy day.
V is for vulture, soaring away.
V is for vulture, soaring away.
W is for watermelon, juicy and red.
W is for watermelon, juicy and red.
X is for xylophone, tapping in your head.
X is for xylophone, tapping in your head.
Y is for yak, up on the hill.
Y is for yak, up on the hill.
Z is for zebra, with stripes that thrill.
Z is for zebra, with stripes that thrill.